Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a try-on haul for you guys. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Fashion Nova. I have a trip coming up soon. We're going to be going to Thailand, so I needed a few different things to wear, and I also wanted to pick up just some essentials, a couple sweaters for fall, some sandals, things like that. So I figured I would do a try-on haul with you guys. I just think they're so much fun. I personally love watching those. So let's go ahead and get started. So I actually got this huge package right here from Fashion Nova. I did open it up a little bit, and then these shoes somehow fit in there too. I don't know how they got everything to fit, but they did. So I haven't opened up anything yet. I just opened up the initial packaging because then I was like, wait, let me open it all up with you guys on camera so I can show you guys how I'm feeling, how things are looking, and whatnot. So we'll go ahead and start with the shoes. So I just got some real simple strappy sandals. I thought these would be really cute on my trip for the beach, but also just here in town if I just need to quickly throw on some sandals and call it a day. I wear my flip-flops a lot, but I definitely want something kind of looks a little bit different, and I just thought these looked really unique, and so I will definitely try these on with one of the outfits that I got. So let's see what else we have. So I have this here. This is called the Holy Slit dress. So it looks like this here. It came in a few different colors. I actually really wanted the white and light sky blue color, but they sold out of my size. So I got this one instead. It's like a navy with tan floral prints on it. It is a maxi dress, and it does have a slit up the side, but it doesn't seem too crazy. So I'll definitely try this on. It does also have a little bit of lacy right here. It's a little see-through, and then some buttons up the front. So I'll show you guys what this one looks like. Okay, so here is the dress, and I did throw on the sandals with it as well. The sandals, first off, I think are super cute, and they're really comfortable. Plus, they're just really easy just to throw on and add to your outfit. The dress is very flowy, and it's very comfortable as well. It does zip up on the side here, so it's not super stretchy, but it has this little lace pattern here that's a little bit see-through. But on the model, they did wear a belt, which I thought was super cute. And it has the slit, it goes to about mid-thigh or so. I think it's really cute. I love maxi dresses, I just don't really buy them for some reason. And it does have a little racer back as well. But I feel like this could be good even going into the fall as the weather's kind of transitioning. You could throw on a little sweater or a jacket with this one, and it's super cute and still good. So this is not for my trip. This is just a cute little sweater I thought would be really cute for the fall. It has some gold buttons up the sleeves. It looks like it's just up one sleeve, which I actually didn't know. But it does look really cute. It's a cute little off the shoulder. And I got mine in a size small. Okay, so here's the sweater. And I think it is so super cute. It's off the shoulder. I believe this shoulder might supposed to be up to have a one shoulder little moment. But I think it's super cute. It is cropped, so you're gonna need to wear it with either high-waisted jeans probably, or just something a little higher up, or just have a little bit of midriff showing. The only thing is I wish the buttons were on both sleeves. I feel like it's kind of a little weird that it's not on both sleeves. That's the only thing I'm not loving about it. But otherwise, I think it is so cute. Perfect for fall and winter. You can definitely wear it into fall and winter, and it's pretty thick, so I feel like it'd be pretty warm as well. So next, I just got this cute little tank top here. I just thought this would be good for every day. I could wear it in the fall underneath some sweaters, or definitely for the summer, or really anytime. It has just the cute little buttons there. Just a really cute crop tank. This is called the Just Tell Me rib top. Okay, so here's the tank top. I feel like this is cute as well. I keep saying cute, but I just am a fan of how everything is looking so far. I like the little detail that it has right here for the buttons, and it is cropped. This one is a little longer of a crop than I typically like, just because I feel like depending on your jeans it could be like kind of bunch up a little bit if like you can't tuck it in, or if you wear too short of jeans, it's just like too much. So it's kind of a weird length, but I still feel like it's really cute. I feel like I'll get a lot of wear out of this, especially because like I said, it's just a basic black tank top, but it does have that little bit of detail, so you can wear it for fall, underneath a sweater, something like that. All right, and I did pick up a swimsuit to take with me on my trip. This one is the Santa Fe swimsuit. I was looking for a swimsuit before I went to Vegas and I could not find any that I liked. And then when I went on their website, I found this one somehow. It just has the lace up right here on the front, but it also has it on both sides, which I thought was really cute. And it's just like a simple white one piece, but I just think it's really cute. It has rose gold detailing, and then of course the laces all over. So I'll try this one on as well. Oh, and it does tie in the back too. Okay, so here is that swimsuit. I like this swimsuit quite a bit. The lace up on the side does go up quite a bit. It's probably like right below my hips. And it's a little low cut, but I don't feel like it's very revealing at all. I just threw on this little cover up over it. I will say it's very cheeky. That's one thing I noticed with this swimsuit. So keep that in mind if you purchase it, but I do think it looks really good and it's very flattering in my opinion, and I personally just love a good white swimsuit. So I am really digging this one. I also picked up this dress. This is called the Kehlani Tribal Maxi Dress. I was a bit unsure of this dress actually, so I'm gonna have to try it on. It has big like loose sleeves, and then it ties in the back right there. And it's just like a long maxi dress. I just thought this one would be really cute too. So I'll definitely try this one on, and I'll probably be taking this one on my trip as well. And it's super thin, like in a good way, like super lightweight, so it's not gonna be really hot and heavy or anything like that. Okay, so this is the dress. So I was a bit unsure about this dress, but I feel like it's super cute and it's really comfortable. It's really flowy and loose, and it's very thin like I had mentioned, but I don't feel like it's see-through at all, which is really nice. I love the like flowy sleeves. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of like a robe. And it has little cute little slits there. I like this a lot more. I was very unsure about it, but I feel like it looks really cute. And it has a little tie in the back. Very comfortable. I like this one as well, so I am a fan. All right, and I did pick up another sweater for fall. So this is called the Next to Me Mock Sweater. Next to Me Mock Neck Sweater. I love this because of the sleeve detail. It laces up on the sleeves and just has a cute little tie. But then it has like these really cute bell sleeves as well, which I just thought was so cute. And then it does go up a little bit. It looks like it's kind of a turtleneck, but it looks like it won't be super high, which is good because I don't like anything super tight on my neck. So, and it's a little cropped as well. You could wear it with jeans or you can dress it up, however you decide to wear this. Okay, this sweater, you guys, is so cute. I feel like it's so, just like a whole like vibe. I would not wear it with leggings. I feel like it would be super cute with like either with a skirt, either like a mini skirt. I'm thinking like, I don't know, like one of those like velvety like maroon skirts I feel like would look super cute, and some like knee-high boots. I think that would be really cute. I also have this like pink latex skirt I feel like would look so cute with it, and I love these sleeves. They're just the right length, but they have the bell sleeves on them, and then the detail, the lace-up detail on the arms. The only thing, and I don't know if you can see this, but there you can kind of see through right here, and I think that's just because of the stitching. It goes like straight up and down, and then right here it has like diagonal stitching. It's not really super noticeable. I'm just wearing like a pink bra, so I feel like that's why you can see it. But I feel like if you wore either a black bra or just like some type of undershirt under it, it would be fine. And it is like a little bit higher neck, so it does cover the neck, but it's not super chunky. It's very thin, but it is a little, putting it on is a little tight, but now that it's on, it does feel very comfortable. And again, this one is a little cropped too, so you're either going to need to wear something high with it or just have a little bit of your stomach showing, which I think would be fine too, depending on what you pair it with. But this, I'm going to be wearing this so much in the fall and winter, I feel like. Alright, so I just have a couple of things left. This is called the Mulberry Maxi Dress. It's just a real simple, like army green ribbed maxi dress. I just think this is, I saw it and I was like, there's so many things I could do with this. I could dress it up, I could dress it down, I could add all the accessories, or if I just want to wear it with like tennis shoes, like some Vans or something, I feel like that would look super cute, and it's pretty decent. It's a long length as well. So I'll, again, probably be taking this on my trip. I didn't have very many dresses, so I wanted to take a couple like long flowy dresses for my trip with me. Okay, so this is the green dress. It's like a t-shirt type dress. I think it's super cute. It's very form-fitting, but I don't feel like it's see-through at all. And what I like is even though it's like tighter, it doesn't feel like I can't walk. Like I feel like I can walk just fine without any problems. And I just really like how this one looks. It shows off your curves well, it's super comfy, and you can dress it up or down. So I'm a fan. I feel like I'll be wearing this one quite a bit. Alright, the last thing I got is these biker shorts here. These ones are called the All On Me biker shorts. These, I had ordered some biker shorts from Fashion Nova before that I really loved, but I couldn't remember what they were called. These ones are not them. Because these ones have more of like a ribbed material, which it's hard to tell in the picture. And I also feel like they might be a little bit longer, which is something that I wanted. Hopefully these aren't see-through. They don't look like they're very see-through. But I have been into biker shorts lately. I've been like wanting to get more colors and just different types of biker shorts, because I just feel like they're so cute, and you can just like throw on either like a baggy shirt or really just all kinds of different things, and it's just all kinds of different looks you can create with it. Alright, and last but not least are the biker shorts. I do feel like they're very comfortable. They're not as stretchy like on the legs as like the other ones that I have. The other ones I have are super stretchy, but they are longer. So these go right about here. I feel like my other ones are a little bit higher, maybe about 1 inch or 2. The only thing is, like I had mentioned before, I don't really love the like rib detailing. You can't really tell. But if I would have known, I probably wouldn't have got that, and it was probably in the description. I should have paid attention. But they're not see-through or anything like that, and like I said, they are a good length, so I'm still gonna wear them, especially wear them around the house or anything like that. And I forgot to mention it before, but I did get everything in a size small. I think that was a good size for everything except for the tank top. I feel like the tank top I probably should have got a medium. It still fits, but it's just a little tighter than I would have liked. I'm a fan of pretty much all the items. Like I said, the only one I'm not in love with is these shorts, but it's okay, we can make them work. So with that, that is everything that I got in my Fashion Nova haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I do want to kind of do some more stuff like this more often on my channel. Some fashion stuff. Of course, I love makeup and I'll continue doing that. But as I've said before, I want to kind of expand and do different things as well. So I'm going to be doing more stuff like this with like fashion pieces and all kinds of different stuff. I have a bunch of ideas for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss anything. I have videos going up every week. So with that, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.